Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very great. Well, in today's video I'll be taking you guys to the Binance Launchpad, where I'll be showing you guys how to participate in the Beta Finance subscription that will be launching in the next 4 days. So I'm going to show you guys how to participate in this subscription. But before I'll start, let me quickly take you guys on how to locate this Launchpad when you're in your Binance app. So first of all, once you log into your Binance app, maybe in your desktop, since I'm using my laptop to show you this, so you have to just go to your finance right here. So on your finance, you just have to scroll down, just roll down a bit. So right here you'll be seeing the launch pool. So kindly go ahead and click on go to launch pool. So once you click on go to launch pool, then you need to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to see the Beta Finance. As you can see here, it just have 4 days, 10 hours and 10 minutes for the subscription to start. So you just click on view all. Okay, if you click on view all, you're going to see other tokens that are also in the launch pool. So you can see Con98 and Beta Finance, and if you scroll down you see many other coins. So but like I told you guys, today we'll be discussing the Beta Finance. I'll be showing you guys how to take part in the subscription. So kindly select the Beta Finance. So once you select it, this is what you're going to see, and as you can see, this is the preparation period, as you can see it right here. So guys, I'll be telling you guys how to participate in this subscription and how it's going to work out. Alright guys, before we continue, let's know what this Beta Finance project is all about. So Beta Finance is a cross-chain permissionless money market protocol DeFi that is developed for the purpose of lending, borrowing and sorting crypto. So if you want to know more about this token, please you can read it up in the website right here, or you can also read up the white paper. So right now guys, let me go ahead and tell you guys how this event is going to happen in the Binance Launchpad. Okay, first of all, Binance is going to take record of your BNB balance for the next 8 days. These 8 days will start counting from the 30th of September to the 80th of October. So after that, they're going to take the average of your BNB holding for that 8 days. So after that, just note that the maximum BNB you can commit in this subscription is just 1 BNB. And subscription will be open for eligible members for just 4 hours. That means by the end of the counting of these 4 hours, subscription is going to start, and this is going to last for only 4 hours, and it's going to be only for eligible members. Then also know that your BNB will be locked. That means you will not be able to redeem your BNB or use it for this 4 hours time that the subscription will be going on. And after these 4 hours, then subscription is going to be closed, and then taking of allocation calculation will begin, and this will depend on the amount of BNB that is deducted from your BNB balance. Well, this means guys that you are actually using your BNB to buy the token. So it's not like the whole process is staking. It's not like you are staking BNB. You're actually using your BNB balance to buy this token, so it's different from staking. If you're using your Android smartphone to participate in this Launchpad, what you have to do is, once you log into your Binance app, you're going to see the Launchpad will be displayed as an advert in your homepage. So you can click on it and check out everything you saw in the desktop. You're going to see it right there in your Android smartphone. So guys, if you really want to participate in this subscription, all you have to do is just to get your BNB ready and wait for the subscription date to come. And once the date is here, you can successfully participate in the subscription. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if this video helped you, please don't forget to give it a thumb up and share it to your friends. And don't forget to guys, please like the video and subscribe to our channel to help us reach in YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching this video, and do have a great time.